Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, at a time when great emphasis is being placed on physical activities in school, a St. Catherine-based institution is gearing up for a battle against a major developer for its playing field.
Very soon, the students will not have a place for physical education and other activities, and other outdoor activities rather, as the area is earmarked for development.
Now, Sandy Williams has this Primetime News exclusive.
While some schools are forced to deal with poor infrastructure and limited space this back-to-school period, the McCook Primary and Infant School is fighting to get back its playing field. The school, which is operated by the Anglican Church, has lost its recreational ground to a developer. Maurice Anderson is General Manager for the Property Management Group at the Anglican Diocese of Jamaica. He says the land was actually a gift to the church in 1939 by the Edwin Charlie Group, adding that the church also has documents to prove ownership.
We have been using it since then as both church and school. It was sold recently by the Sugar Industry Authority.
A playing field is a critical feature of schools because it's the most appropriate area where students get to develop their physical, emotional, and social skills. But students of the McCook Primary and Infant School may soon be robbed of that development opportunity because this plot of land, which they've been using for decades as their playing field, has been sold by the Sugar Company of Jamaica. Now, as part of preparation for a major housing development, as you can see, excavation work has already started.
We have been in touch with SCJ Holdings, and they have confirmed that they have disposed of the land to Reeve Gardner Associates, and they are in the process of erecting some housing units on the property.
The total amount of land that the church had was somewhere about 9,000 square meters. It has, since the change recently, we have lost about 0.6 acres, even though I'm using two different quantities, but about 0.6 acres is about the portion we have lost.
We just finished the World Championships in Hungary and Budapest, And you see how the Jamaican athletes perform there. It all started with schools and play fields. Then if you go in 2023, you're going to take our play field from the children. And your head should be examined.
It appears that in the sale of the property by the Sugar Industry Authority, significant checks were not made to ensure that their boundaries were that in fact a title existed or the conveyance existed, so that they could make the adjustment when they were actually doing the sale. So I think it's just a matter of mistakes that were made in the transfer of the property.
The church has since sought legal representation with hopes of retrieving the land.
Partly because there is a significant development that's taking place out there, and we would prefer to have the land back because we certainly know that the school would have to be enlarged at some stage. The school needs a playing field, and also just because of the number of people that will be out there, we will have to take in more people in that school.
TVJ News tried to get a response from SCJ Holdings Limited. However, our efforts proved futile. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.